We warmly welcome you as a participant in our art history course at ArtHyp.com. My name is Jackie. I am a digital avatar and I will tell you about your art history course. Below this video, you will find links to all the major art movements worldwide, starting with Lesson 1, which covers primitive art, and ending with Lesson 40, which addresses contemporary and meta-modern arts. Your art history course begins with a video from your AI instructor. In it, he or she briefly explains what this lesson is about. Additionally, the AI instructor provides you with a summary of the content of the respective lesson. This lesson consists of text, supplemented by as many images as possible to complement and clarify the texts. A well-known proverb says, "A picture is worth 1,000 words." This is certainly true in the art world, as your eyes are a crucial means to appreciate art. Sometimes, we use images of art objects from our own collection, but often they are images of paintings and other artworks from private collections and museums. In the captions accompanying the images, we provide deeper insights about the specific artworks in relation to the described art movement, so you can directly apply what you have read to the artwork displayed. Above all, I hope you enjoy expanding your knowledge about the history of art, the many interesting art movements, the beautiful images of the displayed artworks, and the emotions that the artworks evoke in you. Your visit to a building or a museum anywhere in the world will be different and richer after taking this course in art history. On behalf of ArtHyp.com and myself, I wish you much pleasure and success with our art history course.